nicely timed. Will only get one though. He's calling for two. That is excellent running between the wickets. The bowler will have to be extra careful of the line he bowls to this field. Oh, he picked up that nicely. Beautifully picked up all the way. This is scintillating batting. Wonder where the next one is going. Edged and onto the stumps. He's gone. Batsman getting ready to face his first ball. That is in the air and in the gap as well. Goes for four. Pacer introduced from the other end. Batsman getting ready to face his first ball. They are calling for two. That is excellent running between the wickets. Slips in place. They have run the first one quick. That is excellent running between the wickets. The bowler is bowling from his favorite end. Not just for a single. That is huge beat. Bowler thinks he's got the batsman, but the umpire thinks otherwise. Looks like there will be a lot of slow balls coming. That is a very quick signal taken. He has left that one alone. Oh, shocked, but only a single. That is huge, Bill. Bowler thinks he's got the batsman, but the umpire thinks otherwise. The bowler will have to be extra careful of the line he bowls to this field. He read the length perfectly. That is a beautiful six. It is showtime. Crowd going mad here. That has made some serious damage. Slips in place. That is in the air and in the gap as well. Goes for four. Can you do it again? That is six. That is just magnificent batting. He seems to have carried his form from the last match. Oh, that was a seriously quick ball. Spinner into the action from the other end. Slips in place. That was a quick single. Nice running between the wickets. Chance of a run out, and that looks very close. Has to walk back to the pavilion. That was such a waste of a wicket. That is in the air and in the gap as well. Goes for 4. There is no better sight than watching him bat at his best. They have run the first one quickly and should be looking for 2. That is excellent running between the wickets. He has been ruthless against the spinners in this series. The bowler missing his line here, and that's a wide. The bowler missing his line here, and that's a wide. Balled in, and the stumps go for a toss. Batsman getting ready to face his first ball. That is huge beat. Bowler thinks he's got the batsman, but the umpire thinks otherwise. Oh, that's close. It's a huge beat. That is a very good shout, and they're going to review it.
Checking for a no ball. Fair delivery, no problem. Reaching outside. Impact in line. Wickets hitting. You can stay with your decision. Green now.
That is edged. That is huge beat. Bowler thinks he's got the batsman, but the umpire thinks otherwise. Spinner into the action from the other end. What a match this has been. It's a jam-packed stadium here today, witnessing an edge-of-the-seat thriller here. That's a nasty delivery. Must have hurt. No ball called. The bowler will have to be extra careful of the line he bowls to this field. Strokes it into the gap for a single. Chance of a run out, and that looks very close. He is taking a long walk towards the pavilion. That was such a waste of a wicket. He was poking at it. The field set exactly for it. And great execution of plans by the bowler. Not a good shot. The field was set up for that and the batsman fell right into the trap. Getting ready to face his first ball. That's into the gap. Should look for two. That is excellent running between the wickets. Slips in place. Dead ball signaled by the umpire. The bowler is bowling from his favorite end. It's nicely timed. Will only get one though. He's calling for two. That is excellent running between the wickets. They should look at varying the pace a bit. It is getting too easy for the batsman. Hit on the body. It's a nasty delivery. The wicket has played out very well here with a little bit of help for the bowlers initially. Gone straight into the hands of the fielder.
Let's congratulate